In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate Ghibli-style images with Chatgpt-4o. So let's get started. First things first, you'll need to open ChatGPT. If you haven't used ChatGPT before or this is your first encounter with it, accessing it is quite straightforward. Simply fire up your preferred web browser and head on over to the ChatGPT website. Once you've arrived, the next step is to log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one, but assuming you do, just plug in your login information and you're ready to move forward. Logging in is crucial because it ensures that all your work is saved and accessible, and it keeps your creative projects synced up across any devices you might be switching between. With that done, the adventure truly begins. Now you have a choice. You can either create a new chat, offering a fresh canvas for your creative pursuits, or open up an existing one if there's already a project on your mind that you've been itching to dive back into. This flexibility allows you to either explore new ideas or continue working on previous ones seamlessly. Now here's where the magic really starts to happen. Once you're in a chat, look for that handy plus icon. Clicking this will reveal a host of options, from which you need to select Create Image. This feature is what enables us to transition from simple text prompts into beautiful visual art. With the image creation page in front of you, it's time to type in your prompt about a Ghibli-style image. Think about the enchanting worlds and whimsical characters that define Studio Ghibli films, and let this influence your prompt. Are you imagining an idyllic landscape with windswept grass and giant clouds? Or perhaps a quaint village bustling with activity? Be as descriptive and creative as you can. The more detailed your prompt, the better the outcome. This is your chance to define the mood and elements that will breathe life into the scene, capturing the distinct Ghibli aesthetic that's adored worldwide. And there you have it. With your prompt ready and submitted, the system now goes to work, transforming your words into a piece of art that mirrors the charm and elegance of a Ghibli film. It's a fascinating process and one that taps into the heart of creativity, blending technology and imagination seamlessly. Whether you're familiar with Ghibli's masterpieces or venturing into this world for the first time, generating these images offers a unique blend of personalization and artistic expression. This wraps up today's tutorial, and by following these steps, you can now bring your Ghibli-inspired visions to life with ChatGPT-4o. Have fun exploring the creative possibilities and bringing your dreams into the world of visual storytelling. Thanks for joining me today, and happy creating.